everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with a sticker haul from Coffee Break Planner. So excited to show you this today. Here are some of their clear, I want to kind of pull it off just a little bit just so you could see. And these are the to-do headers. Love them. I love the font too because it kind of goes with anything. And this was important and rescheduled. So yeah, again, all three of those are clear, just so you can see. So whatever, you can put them over top of washi or whatever, if you don't want to cover up the picture, you can just put it over top of that if it needs to be rescheduled. So loving those. This is the limited edition Thanksgiving kit, and it's pink and brown, and I love it because I think those colors are absolutely beautiful together. And here are your full boxes. I love that Thanksgiving Day. This is so adorable. I cannot wait to use this. And here is your half boxes and quarter boxes, your bottom washies, in washi or top washi, whichever one you want. Look at that pink. This is so me. Then your day covers, your half boxes, and then that was all of that kit, y'all. So that was a 5-page kit, and then I'm loving it. Got it because it's gorgeous, and I'm going to be using it this coming week. Just saying. I ordered these. These are the snow globe stickers because I am a fanatic about snow globes. I used to collect them, and look how adorable. Look at Santa with the red-nosed reindeer. How cute. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Put it right back where I got it. But these are the ones that you can get. How cute are those? And the detail in them are so sweet. So excited to use those. Then this is the little Christmas helper boxes, the quarter boxes, and then you get like the little elf feet down here at the bottom. You could actually use those if you do the elf on the shelf, or if you're just going to, like, maybe you're going to help somebody with your church and drop off food. I mean, that's a little helper, or help somebody wrap gifts or whatever, or just use it in a kit that you have that you need some quarter boxes. But these are adorable. I also got, these are their clear, like you can use them as an overlay or as a complete box. Love these. And I'm just going to read over them real quick. And it says, don't be afraid to dream big. Create the life you can't wait to wake up to. Do all things with love. Dreams don't work unless you do. Don't call it a dream, call it a plan. Turn I wish into I will. With less, wish less, work more. One day or day one, you decide. Strive for progress, not perfection. Inhale the future, exhale the past. Broken crayons still color, and I'm doing this for me. Is that not sweet? Then I actually used one, and it said something about all things glitter, or glitter is always an option. I used the one on this side. And it says, make yourself a priority. Today, anything is possible. Rise by lifting others. You got this. You are enough. Today, anything is possible. The best is yet to come. Be your own kind of beautiful. Glitter is always an option. The will moves mountains. Escape the ordinary. And then, your speed doesn't matter. Forward is forward. You are living your story. I am doing this for me. You only fail when you stop trying. Be stronger than your excuses. Strive for progress, not perfection. Dreams don't work unless you do. Do all things with love. Create the life you can't wait to wake up to. Say yes to new adventures. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Never give up on the things that make you smile. And then creativity is intelligence having fun. Perfectly imperfect. I love that one. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. You are enough. Grateful, thankful, blessed. Every moment matters. Just breathe, which I don't know if anybody's ever seen that, but that's my tattoo. Smile often. Think positively. Give thanks. Different doesn't mean wrong. You are enough. Grateful, thankful, blessed. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. So I love those, y'all. Those are perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And actually, like, I was thinking maybe using grateful, thankful, blessed, and maybe one of these boxes that doesn't have anything written in it. And that could be my quote box, maybe. Just saying. I think that might be a good idea. Here are some of their die cuts, y'all. I am totally in love with these. I have a ring planner, and so I love to laminate die cuts and use them all in my ring planner, so I'm really excited. And I'm not going to be doing these in order, so I apologize. But here's just a beautiful banner, and then their little penguin family. Penguin saying hi, and I might put my name in that because that looks like me. Just saying, haha. Again, you could put one of those quote boxes in one of these. There's different things that you can do. Another family. Look how sweet. Fishes. And then another one like this. And again, perfect for a quote box. Y'all, please just think it outside the box, because that would be fun, actually, to put one of those in there. Maybe even send it to a friend. That would be lovely. Look at this owl. I love me some owls. Who isn't cute? Ha ha, funny. Uh-oh. There we go. He was stuck. Look, reindeer on ice skates. Bear drinking tea. Bird. Again, another one that you can fill in. Squirrel. And look, how beautiful would that one be? Filling something in, or even making a writing and then putting something down here. So beautiful. These are the thankful die cuts right here. And then it has like a little card too, like a little note card, so that would be awesome. And this one says thankful, perfect for my planner. Sunflower, cornucopia, arrangement, beautiful wreath, and then the turkey. How sweet is that? Y'all, so many things you can do. And I'm getting excited. I see another owl. Let me see if I can get him open. Y'all, they have the best stuff. Seriously, they do. They're awesome, awesome people too. And you can use my friend Leanne's code, and I will have her down in the description below. Owl with the little candy canes coming out of his ears. How sweet. And that owl on a candy cane. Owl holding a candy cane. I am so excited to be able to get these. Owl on a candy cane. Or owls. Look, y'all. 2 different ones, 2 different note cards that you can put in your planner. Just saying. I love them. They're adorable. They are the best. Yay, I'm so excited. And then I ordered this. And I'm excited to put it on. I think I'm going to put it on a dashboard for my TN. And it says Faith. Now, how beautiful is that? So when I, not my TN, my ring. So when I open it up, it's going to have Faith written down the side of it. So I'm pretty excited about that. So that is what I ordered from, oh, and they give you the directions too, by the way, on how to do this. You can actually use it, I guess you can use it on anything, mug or coffee, but you have to wash it by hand. So their stuff can be used on everything, I'm understanding. So y'all, please go check them out. Oh my goodness, you can have so much fun with their stuff. I plan on it, so be looking for it. Be looking for my plan with me so that you can see how I use some of this. I'm really, really excited. Very excited. Let me move it over so you can actually see it. Look at all these goodies, y'all. Just tons and tons of goodies. So go check them out. All the information will be down in the description below. I will link my friend's or put my friend's code there as well. And I hope that y'all have a blessed and awesome Thanksgiving and holiday season coming up. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my planner, Nina_Cricket, on Instagram and on Facebook so that you can keep up with all the sales. And I hope to see you back here real soon. Bye-bye.